traders, Mark here. Today is Friday. Happy Friday. Gang, the forex system is all coming together very nicely. I'm actually really excited about the action from today, and so I want to walk through a handful of things with you so you can see exactly what I'm referring to. First and foremost, we have a potential trade setting up on the dollar yen. It would be back inside of this zone here, where on Monday morning this L24 will be gone. So I'd be looking for the zone inside the zone, which would be right around here at 112.80 is where I'd be looking for an entry. Now the other possibility is I have a sell zone here inside of a weekly sell zone. The only issue is this one's trading into a weekly buy, daily buy zone, and it's trading into the weekly moving average as well as the daily moving average. Okay, so it'll be curious to see which one of these play out. So we'll have to watch and see next week. All right, let's go take a look at. So I've got my list here. Well, let's just go through the list that I have. So I have the New Zealand, Canadian dollar. Clearly there's some Canadian dollar news today at 7:30. But what I want to talk about on this trade, and we talked about this last night actually, there was an entry here at 88.88. Now if I were going for 100 pips, I never got my target. But is going for 100 pips on every trade, is that feasible? I mean, is that even something that I should even have in a system, a static target like that? What if I were going for a 5-to-1 risk reward using the ATR? Well, guess what? My ATR here was 13. So my target was going to be 65, risking 13 to make 65, and targets hit. Look at the difference. It's a massive difference, right? Made a difference between a winner and a loser. Okay, so now let's take a look at the dollar yen. Actually, we're already looking at the dollar yen. Let's go. Actually, so I had this on my list. Let's go back and take a look. So dollar yen had a long right here at 50. Is actually at this level here at 51. Again, here's an example where the 100 pip target not hit, but the ATR target hit. So there's 2 for 2 with the 5-to-1 risk reward. That gives you a lot of cushion. Let's go look at the dollar pound. I'm sorry, pound dollar. Where are you, pound dollar? Right in front of my face, right there. Okay, so this one had an entry right here. Stopped out. Would re-enter. So my entry 56. If I'm using a ATR stop, it's 13. So 56 to 69. And I'd be re-entered at 69. And at this point, my was pretty tight stop. So if I use an ATR stop, my stop up here is going to be 10. So I would have re-entered here at 69. We're on a 76. Oh man, that would have been close to a 50 pip target. So I've been looking for 19. 69 to 19 would have been my 50 pips. And this would not have hit target, and it would have gone up here and stopped me out. And that's okay. So it had 2 stops there on the pound dollar. Swiss yen. Entry was right here. This one lines up with the moving averages. It is trading into weekly and daily sell zones, but this again would have hit your ATR target, not your 100 pip target yet. So you have what, 3 winners, 2 losses. Euro Aussie. I would have been long here. This would have taken 2 stop outs. Now I'm looking for a short back up in this area, but it's not going to set up, so I can get rid of this. So there's 2 losses on the Euro Aussie. Let's go look at the Euro Pound. Okay, Euro Pound. Now here's another example. My entry on this is going to be 88.88. My stop, ATR, is 7, so I'm looking for 35. So target gets hit. If I were going for 100, I'd be out of this trade for a loss. So there's 4 winners, 4 losses. And then Euro Dollar set up today. Right here. So I'd be in this at 58. 14 pip stop. Takes me to 72. So now I'd be short 72. So let's see what the target will be. So 70. So I'm in at 72. Target would have already been, oh wait, no, 72 is 22, that's 50. Ha! So I'd be looking for a target down here at 02. Okay, so you have 5 losses, 4 winners. Your winners are 5 times larger than your losses, so this is a killer first week of the year for the forex stuff. Alright gang, now on the day trading stuff, because these moves were just straight up, it was hard to catch a lot of them. So I'm not going to go through the charts, but here's how it shook out. There really weren't that many trades. 5% return for the week on this side, and then on the 12 range, a 23% return for the week. So about a 30% return between the two. And that is after slippage and after commission. All right, gang. I hope you all have a great weekend. Catch you on Monday.